Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we're actually unboxing this month's Sephora plays. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so for those of you who don't know, Sephora Play is one of my favorite subscriptions. It's $10 a month and you get to try a different variety of products. They're from 5 to 6 products a month, and usually the retail value of these products are seriously high. So it's definitely great to try these out and see if it's worth it to give them a try, if you should get the full size product. So that's the reason why I get these myself. So and I will put the link below on a application that I actually use every month just to get Sephora gift cards for free. It's an application that I just basically scan. I scan my receipts onto, and if you accumulate the receipts, they give you points, and then they totally give you, you can use your gift cards for different places. You can get Sephora gift cards, are one of the gift cards you can get. But regardless, or let's get back on track. So let's get into the June Sephora Play box. And if you definitely like spoilers like I do, definitely like and subscribe to my channel. Every time I see the full list of the Sephora Play box for the next month, you're not too sure if to get into this one, or you want to see if you should get the next box, definitely like and subscribe. I always try to find those spoilers for you guys, and I will list them as soon as the full list is out. So definitely stay tuned for those. So back on track, let's get into this box. So every month you get a box like this. So let's take a look and see what is the deal for this month. And here it says show off and share using Sephora Play hashtag. So if you guys want to share that, and every month you also get 50 points, and every month there's actually a different theme. So let's take a look and see what this month's theme is. So this is Destination Beauty, and it's right here. I almost opened it and it had all the spoilers, but it gives you like different tips on here. Let's see, don't forget to pack. So these are different tips for those of you going on vacation this summer to different destinations. So I like these are super cute. And then you can hear the gift cards, well, sorry, not gift cards, but here is the 50 points that you can take. You can either use this online or you can use this at Sephora. From my understanding, you can take these to Sephora and pay for any item, and they'll add that onto your account. If you do it online, I believe that the minimum has to be $20, but if you go to the store, you can redeem these points for whatever product. So this month, it seems like each month it's actually they're giving you a different color with these bags, which are fine. These are definitely, you can reuse them. My daughter has been taking these because she likes to she's very into organization, so she takes these. And let me just get the instructions, well, not the descriptions open so we can go through these products. All right, so this is how the bag looks, so you guys can see that. And then let's see what they added on the bag. So the very first item I see here, this is from Stila. This is what is this? Because I can't see. There you go. So maybe you guys can see better than me, but I'm gonna look at the instructions here. So this is, okay. This is Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So this is liquid eyeliner from Stila. There's a fine line between a wing and cat eye, and that's why this marker-like tip is a stroke of genius. How to, and I'll put the description for each product below, I'll put the link for each product below from Sephora so that you guys can take a look to see if these are actually worth it. If you guys are interested in getting maybe just one of the full-size products and don't like sample sizes like this, I do. It says how to look, smooth it on with your finger. If you want a natural look, smooth it on with your fingertips. And then a wingtip place tip on the outside corner and work it in, then connect to the lash line. And then a cat eye, use like the wing, but go ham, whatever that means. Okay, So that's what this is, and this is again from Stila. So there you go. It's hard to see because it's very small, but that's what was in there. And then the next item here, I'm not looking, so you guys can take a look along with me and we will both be surprised. So the very next item I see, it's from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is a Tarte Babasu Foundation Skincare Foundation SPF 20 in 42N. So I'm assuming that's my color, tan neutral. So let's take a look here and see. And because I work from home, I don't put makeup on every day. So this is a good size product for me to try out, because usually when I'm putting on makeup, it's when we go out or when I make the video. So that's really the time that so there you go. Then this one here, it says, the only thing that needs to work hard when you're on PTO is your foundation. That's why the multitasking formula is a first class favorite. And then it tells you different ways of how to use it for medium coverage, light coverage, and sheer to light coverage. So that's perfect. Let me put this away, and if you guys are interested, this is, I can't really see the size, but you can see it compared to my hand, so I'm not gonna strain myself for that and waste time. So let's see the next item here. And then the next item here, this is from Biosense, and here you go. This is a tea tree detox mask. Oh, this is the first time I'm getting a mask from Sephora, so that's cool. And this is what it looks like here. So this says, let's see, whether your trip is packed with excursions or luxurious itinerary free, there's always time for calming, softening face mask that draws out impurities. It says how to use. Evenly apply your quarter-size amount to clean, dry, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes and wet skin. Gently massage and rinse thoroughly. Bonus tip, use all over or just the problem areas. So that is really good. That's not a lot. It's probably a one try, but again, it gives you an idea if you should get the full-size product. So the benefit for me to Sephora Play is because I get to try products I normally would not go out and buy myself. So that's what I like about these. So what is this here? Because it doesn't say anything, or I can't see. So one or the other is the problem. So what is this? So this is from Laneige. So this is a lip sleeping mask in vanilla. I can honestly say I do not have a lip sleeping mask. It definitely smells like vanilla. So let me take a look. So when holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. I know you can't see it because I can't see it either, but you get the gist. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize, wake me up in an hour. Need to know brand, a leader in this is K Beauty. I love K Beauty. You guys can definitely check my channel. I have different subscriptions to K Beauty, so we digress. But let's get back. Need to know brand, a leader in the K Beauty scene for more than 20 years. Laneige steps up their skincare with hydroionized mineral water that delivers intense moisturization. So that's what this one looks like. I know it's there, but you can't really see it. Oh, you probably can see it yourself now that I fixed that part. So this is cool. It definitely smells like vanilla, so I will definitely be giving that a go on my side. So that's cool. And then the next item here is from Hum. This says beauty starts from within. These are gummies. So this is for stronger, healthier hair. This is biotin. So that's cool. This one says one daily vitamin for you, one for your hair. This gummy promotes healthy strands, plus it's really tasty. And this was a bonus item So that's cool. Usually with the last Sephora plays, the bonus items for me have been perfume, but I definitely am gonna give this one a try. This one says, this all natural line of supplements aims to solve beauty and lifestyle concerns from inside and out. Keep your body humming along. So I would definitely give that a go. And then last but not least, the next item is from Belief, and this is a True Cream Aqua Balm. So that's what that looks like here. See if it'll focus for you guys. Come on. Okay, there you go. This is the True Cream Aqua Balm. Seriously, I have to like get it superly in the face so that you guys can see that. This one is Cannonball Anti-Hydration with an ultra lightweight antioxidant rich moisture. So this is a moisturizer that feels like a pool party for your face. How to use: apply a quarter size amount morning and night, throughout the day as needed. Bonus tip: use it as a 10-minute emergency moisture mask. So you guys can see that. Of course, this is not a lot, and I actually got something similar to this last month from It Cosmetics. It was similar to this. You see it's kind of blue. I guess that's why they're calling it Aqua Balm. But it's actually the eye cream from It Cosmetics lasted me the entire month. I got that last month. I'm literally just at the end. I have like a smidget left, but with eye cream, you just put a little. So this one, of course, moisturizer, you have to put more, but at least you get to try that out and see if that's something that you like. So we have 6 items here. So let's do a recap and see what we got so you guys can see. And again, I'll put the link to each product for Sephora so you guys can take a look. So the very first thing we have here, going backwards, is from Benefit. It's a moisturizer. We have the hair gummies, the biotin. We have the product from Laneige, the lip mask, which I've never even knew there was a lip mask. Then we have from Biosense, we have the detox mask. We have that there. And then we have from Tarte Cosmetics, we have foundation. And then we have from Stella, we have the eyeliner. So all in all, in my opinion, this was a very, very good bag. I liked it. I love Sephora because you totally get just different products that I definitely would not have known about. So I definitely gonna try these out this month. And then when I do my favorites video, you guys can see if any of these made my favorites or hits or misses. So we'll definitely take a look and share those with you. And definitely stay tuned because I'm gonna do an Ipsy versus Sephora play just to see who knocked it out for June. So definitely stay tuned for that video. So if you guys dig videos like this or like spoilers from Sephora, definitely like and subscribe. And we will see you guys on the next video.